Hey guys, Chris again from ClassicVWBugs.com, and in this video we're going to talk about this guy right back here, 1958 Glacier Blue sedan that we just finished restoring for Landon and his family. Landon has just flown up from Texas to see this car in person and to do an unveiling to his family. His father does not know that this was restored pretty much for him. And they've owned this car since 1958, so this is really, really cool. It's really special. These are the moments, right? So I'm going to cover the car up, and we're going to do kind of an unveiling, and I don't know where I'm going to put my cameras to make them not too obvious. I want to record this. You know, he said his father's a little low-key. He's not a drama guy, so he keeps things kind of quiet. So, but that's cool. And, well, anyways, I hope you enjoy. Good morning.
Hey, how's it going?
Hello, Landon.
How are you doing?
All right, how are you?
Good. Hey, this is beautiful.
Yeah, that's the green one?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Awesome.
57, man. That's pretty cool.
We were just on the way up to Schenectady and saw this place and thought we'd stop by and check it out.
Cool.
This is awesome.
That's a 70 we just picked up from the original owners.
This one?
Yeah, the old lady died. She was like 84, 85 years old, and so the family called me up to say, hey, could you come get the car? And you know, we got it running after like 20 years. The thing was sitting for 20 years. We got it running.
70.
So what year was this?
70.
Okay,
And then that's a 62 rag top. That's going to Canada. So
beautiful,
yeah, pretty cool.
So what are you going to do with this one?
We don't know yet. I mean, we might crack on it today because we got it running. Now I just gotta get some fresh gas to run through the system. Because the fuel tank, we had to drain that. It smelled like varnish.
Yeah.
You know.
You want to see what's under the tarp?
I know what color it is. So.
All right.
You can be my guest. You can go ahead, guys.
Good.
Yeah, man.
Oh my goodness! Wow!
Oh, wait.
Wow! How could that be the same car?
Right?
Wow! That's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
That is incredible. That is incredible.
What do you think, Papa?
It's wonderful. I can't believe it. It's got the right license plate too.
Yeah, we just got them done.
So
Wow.
beautiful.
That looks amazing. Is it
Looks good.
original metal pretty much then, or?
Well, we remember we had to
I
do a
know some of
nose, we had to do a butt on this car, aprons, the whole front quarter panels had to be redone.
Original roof.
Roof is the same, yep, original doors, original fenders.
Deck lid's original.
Yeah.
Hood's original.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, it works.
The floor pans got replaced.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, because you could see through them. Like,
The passenger side one in particular, right under the battery.
Yeah, we just did both sides, just easier.
I'm not sure I'll fit.
You drove this thing for a long time.
Yeah, I know, but I was smaller. I was smaller then. About 50 pounds lighter. Those are bouncy seats. I don't remember them being so bouncy.
It's the same. They're the same seats.
Wow.
Those are the originals.
Wow.
New padding.
They reupholstered them.
The old reserve tank.
Yep,
up there.
yeah.
Wow.
It's the original steering wheel. Got recast.
You fixed it. You took off the hole in the dash where I put a little toggle switch.
No, it's below. You see
Oh,
it
where
below? There
was
you
it?
go. See it here in the middle?
Oh, here?
Yep,
Yep,
that's
that's
where
the
you
one.
had it. So we
Oh.
made it a four-way flasher.
So it's a
Okay.
hazard light.
So it's a hazard, because these wouldn't have had hazards.
They got four-way hazards on their car, which you
So-
never did, so.
In today's day, it's kind of a good idea.
Wow. Is that the original?
Restored Speedo, yeah.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
original.
Clock it back.
Is this the original wheel? 'Cause
Yeah.
It's all
The
cracked up.
The
Yep.
core is the original.
The
but
core's
they
the original. They recast it.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. New resin or whatever.
I think he likes it, dude. You know? There you go.
And the horn now works.
Now, is it all 12 volt now or is it still
It's
6?
12.
It's 12.
12.
Yeah, it's all 12 volt.
It never looked this nice when we were dating.
That's great.
So I'm sure it has AC now, right?
Yeah, well, you got a vent window right here. Here's your AC. That's it, right there.
Yeah.
Oh, actually.
And
yeah.
we got pop-out windows
Yeah,
too
there's
back
pop-out
here.
windows on the back now.
So-
So look behind you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you
Turn that knob. That tightens the arm.
tighten it up.
And there you go.
Yeah, we never had that. So I was always my sister and I rode the back of this car from Cincinnati to California.
Wow.
My dad took out the back seat and put it like a plywood cutout thing for the wheel wells.
Right.
That's where we kind of slept, but he left the back part, the mohair, and it was really like sandpaper. It was rough stuff.
Today you'd be arrested for doing that.
Yeah, we
Take a look.
should do that now. Oh wow.
That's the original engine.
Oh, it is.
Yep. Rebuilt.
It's the original, same block. And the intake manifold's original. There's probably some other.
Same fan.
The air
Yeah,
cleaner,
yeah,
the fan shroud's original.
Yeah.
The air cleaner's original
Yeah.
also, I think.
Yeah.
It's the same one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Same car.
The exhaust.
This is a little bit. We just had a single pea shooter on the back.
That's
Right.
right. So this one is called an A-Barth muffler. The A-Barth muffler gives it a little bit more horsepower, but it was a dealer option back in the day for having a little bit more of a sporty muffler.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
New gasket. Gotta be tight. The original tank.
Yep.
Oh really?
Clean that out. Yep.
It had some holes in the bottom of the tank, so
Okay.
they
All the
welded
water in
Yep.
it, something like that. It rusted out.
And this, we ended up doing the 4 tires around the car. This wouldn't have been technically period correct, but the 4 tires around are what, radials,
Yeah.
I guess.
Mm-hmm.
But this one up here is a bias.
The bias, which would have been-
bias fits a little bit better up front. It's really hard to sandwich a radial tire up
Yeah.
front.
Especially when you smash the front end a little bit. Which I did.
Wow, this is beautiful.
It's incredible.
This just came out absolutely stellar. It really did. Yeah, so Grandpa bought this in 58.
58, yeah.
And then
Did I give you a picture of him and Mom standing next to it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
I got it, yeah.
He's got the picture.
Oh, you have the
too.
picture,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, he's got that picture.
My mom was just going, I'm not sure about this.
May 19th.
Because he was, they weren't that popular back then.
Yeah.
I can't believe we used to drive this as the family car. It's like a go-kart. We were on the freeway with kids in car seats in the back.
So Chris and I did a ton of research on the color. He suggested writing to Volkswagen over in Germany to their classics department.
Yep.
And so I did that. I got the original birth certificate of the car, which says what the color of the car is. So this color is glacier blue. It's L334, I think, is the code for
Yep.
the paint. And so we were able to get something that is as close as humanly possible to the original color, which was this here. And it was a 1-year only color for Volkswagen. They only offered glacier blue in 1958. So. Sounds awesome, yeah. It sounds incredible.
Many hours of cursing and yelling, but it helps get the job done.
Yeah, Grandpa painted it white in the mid '60s, and then he painted it pumpkin orange in the mid '70s or so.
Wow.
It was high school. It was the '70s. Times were different.
No, that is beautiful. That is beautiful.
It's
Thank you.
outstanding, guys. Amazing.
Take it for a ride, man.
Helmets?
Yeah, right?
I forgot.
Ah.
forgot.
You'll learn real quick. Don't worry.
Well, you know.
the verdict?
It was awesome.
When you left,
It runs like a champ.
would you switch drivers somewhere? Or?
Yeah, we did halfway. We did halfway through.
Oh wait, I forgot to go back door. Go back door.
No, it runs beautifully. The tranny's awesome. The motor's strong. It's great. It runs like a champ.
Cool.
Where's the
Yeah.
power steering? Where's the power
Yeah, right.
Alan, oh, thank you.
sorry.
Drive me out of the back.
He's too distracted, Mom.
Start talking about the car again.
Cool.
Yeah, it came out.
Glad you like it, guys.
You guys did a great job. Thank you.
We had some looky-loos. We were driving along, and people were walking out of a driveway.
Right.
The lady was mouthing.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thumbs up. Yeah.
Love it. And
Turned out stellar.
Yep.
Like I said, you guys knocked it out of the park. It's great.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.